I pulled all of the clothes out of my armoire, the dresser, everything. I am so sick of having so many clothes that I don't even wear, so I decided that I'm just gonna pass them along, get rid of them. I did this once before, and it was actually in one of my videos, and I was still in the newborn fog, and I only got rid of, like, I don't even know, not even that much. So I decided to do it again. Actually, I've seen a couple other YouTubers do this where they take all of their clothes out, they organize them, they give some away, they put some up if they are not sure they're going to wear them in the future, and they also separate their clothes for this season. So I put my winter clothes away, and I also got rid of 2 gigantic bags of clothes. So I'm really happy about that. And then I reorganized everything and put them back in the armoire. So now I only have clothes in the armoire, and then I have my winter clothes put away. So I'm so excited. I got rid of so many things. Another thing that I'm waiting on today is to get my Jovial order, which should be here any minute actually. I'm completely out of wheat berries, completely out of flour. I need to make pizza dough, I need to make tortillas. I haven't made all these things in a couple weeks, so I've just been waiting on my flour and wheat berries order, and they were actually out of them. So when they finally came in stock, I was like, add to cart, add to cart. So I'm super excited. And also today I've been filming a little kitchen tour, which I'm so excited about, and I recently kind of redecorated it. I just got to see my wonderful mama, and she gifted me some beautiful items, and I got to rearrange my kitchen a little bit, and I wanted to show you guys. It's not a very formal kitchen tour, I just wanted to show you guys some of the details that I love. And also we're going to be baking something yummy. I'm not sure what it is yet, but we'll see.
Go pick some lavender. Yay! Are you excited? sure it's my Jovial order. So we're gonna go check it out, and then we're gonna get started on some pizza dough that we need to make for dinner. We've been waiting on
the Jovial order all day because I'm out of everything and I really need to make some pizza dough for dinner tonight. So we're gonna go get it. Okay, so I've been out of wheat berries and flour for a while now. Like I said, they were out of stock and I had to wait for my order. So I was super excited when it got back in stock because I use a lot of flour. I got a small bag of the all-purpose flour because I just use it for making tortillas and things like that. But this order, I just got a small one. Okay. There's one. There's wheat berries don't go bad. That's the great thing about it. Okay, so I have my wheat berries. I have my flour. It's currently dinner time. Everybody's hungry, so I need to get some dinner in the oven. So I'm just gonna make a quick no rice einkorn pizza dough, and hopefully that makes everybody happy. The baby's crying, so I got little baby here with me, and we're gonna see what we can